Another setback for coronavirus vaccines here in Canada, but the Prime Minister insists it's only temporary. Moderna is cutting deliveries of its vaccine to several countries next week. Canada's shipment is being slashed by about 20%, or roughly 50,000 doses.
This momentary reduction in production is something that they've told us is only going to be for this one shipment.
Manufacturing issues are said to be behind the holdup. Justin Trudeau insists Canada will still receive the 2 million shots promised by Moderna by the end of March. The slowdown, though, is another blow to Canada's already delayed rollout, as countries around the globe scramble to acquire shots. Pfizer reducing deliveries to a number of nations as it upgrades its plant in Belgium, shrinking Canada's shipments by more than 2/3 since mid-January, with 0 arriving this week. The schedule is set to pick up in the weeks ahead. Trudeau saying Friday he's received fresh reassurance from Pfizer's CEO during a recent call.
We are still on track to receive 4 million doses of their vaccine before the end of March. We also talked about Canada receiving more doses ahead of schedule starting in the spring. We'll have more details to share on that next week.
And another potential complication from Europe. On Friday, the EU unveiled its new export controls on COVID-19 vaccines produced within the bloc. It's forcing drug makers to show them what shots they're producing in Europe and where they're going until the end of March, all in an effort to speed up the rollout in some European countries where vaccinations are lagging behind other Western nations.
The EU measures will not affect the shipment of vaccines to Canada.
That update from the International Trade Minister during question period Friday. She says she's been in talks with the European Trade Commissioner. And earlier this week, in a call with the European Commission President, Trudeau says he was told the new red tape is not intended to disrupt exports of vaccines to Canada. However, while all of the details of the EU rules haven't been released just yet, Canada does not appear to be among the countries listed as exempt from the export controls. Europe's frustrations, though, are focused primarily on AstraZeneca. The company announced it would be cutting deliveries by about 60% in the first quarter of the year, even before the EU approved the vaccine Friday. Just hours after that okay out of Europe, Health Canada announcing it will be making a decision on the AstraZeneca vaccine in the coming days. Canada has a deal to purchase 20 million doses of that vaccine. Another vaccine update, this one from Johnson & Johnson. The company just releasing its phase 3 trial results of its one-shot vaccine. That shows it does protect against the virus, but it's less effective than other shots. Overall, it's 66% effective at preventing moderate to severe illness. Canada has a deal for up to 38 million shots from Johnson & Johnson. And another update about another vaccine candidate, this one from Novavax. It's been shown to be 89% effective in large-scale UK trials. And Canada has a deal to purchase up to 76 million doses of that vaccine. Melissa Duggan, City News.